Welcome back, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back to Trading Mess. Uh, Give me just a minute. Welcome back, guys. Welcome back. I hope you can hear me. Yeah. So today, welcome to Trading Minutes. Today is 6th of August, Wednesday. Uh, we did one or two trades, not bigger trades, but yesterday we are still in the yesterday's trade. We are still selling from 90 level. It's still consolidating a little bit. It went into 300 pips per profit, but it came back just a little bit. So we'll see that as well. Yep, you can see my charts. So this was the SS trade that we were. So after that, the move came till here, which is 270, 280 pips. Yes, move has come. I would have wanted it to definitely come till here. This is my target. 300, 320 pips. 320 pips would be my target. But it didn't come back to that level. It actually took support at this breaker block, I think. Yeah. I think in this breaker block took support, very sharp support, by the way. Usually it doesn't happen. Very sharp support. Mm, Give me a minute, guys. I'll be back in just a minute. So hey guys, I'm back. So by the way, so yeah, price action. Let's look at the price action. So we currently in this trade we are in yeah 110 pips currently. But I'm hoping in this region it should there are selling levels here also. I just posted that selling level in the group. But before that selling level only it's getting sold. So that was not expected. I thought at least it will look for this selling level, then it will come down. But after this only, it's trying to come down. What? Okay. It is good in our direction because we are already selling from here. But I was expecting we could capture this selling also, 81 ka selling, which could be better. Better selling or it would be a better selling. ठीक है, at least 100 pips का capture तो कर सकते हैं scalp. Yeah. So those are the targets. We are already risk free in this trade, and the buying trade that we took. This I took it on 60 ka level after the confirmation. After some confirmation, I took key. Yeah, this might be the time to buy only because DXY was falling. So yeah, DXY was falling tremendously today. So I thought ki gold will consolidate, and even though gold is bearish, it is bearish. Uh, that is why even though DXY gave a 40% ka decrease, gold is still not able to retrace back. So that is telling me gold is bearish. So that bearishness already in the trade, but we could have captured much better in this trade. That trade would have been okay. Mm, yeah, this would have been the trade, which could be 270 pips easily. So let's see if it comes back to that, then we can actually sell. But until that, there are no levels currently. A trend line cut trade. Yeah, actually a trend line being formed in to the downside. Mm, Lower time frame the trend line, saying that it didn't. It closed above it, tested it, it went down. So when it closes below this, and when it tests that, it will be a trade as well. So bearish only. It's also saying that bearish only. So I'm good with what I'm doing right now currently. Uh, so. mm, Nothing happened, man. That is all happened. I'm disappointed as well. I told you, this week will be consolidating week. If you see weekly also, today ka candle, let's see today ka candle, consolidation only. All the three candles are the same region, right? That's saying ki gold is bullish, kind of, it's a bullish. I should come back to these level na, at least to be bullish. So this is the selling we are trying to capture. This buying will be better because it would have formed a red candle in the 1 hour time, 1 day time frame, which is needed. That would have done it, and we have this buying. So let's hope that happens. But let's go to a cleaner chart to understand more. ठीक है? Yeah. So yeah, so what the chart currently saying is, uh, I am bullish. After this candle, it had become very bullish, and there is a breaker block here. This is the breaker block, which I was talking about. So, which could be helpful for us for the buying in the near future when it comes down. So, it should come down to get buy from here. To get buy from here, it should come down. No? So that is what we are taking as a trade in the lower time frame, selling a trade, but overall the gold is bullish, higher time frames. So let me check the 60% level. I want to check what's happening over there. So 60% के ऊपर close हो गया. हाँ, तो it's showing कि it's bullish. Okay, I got it. So which is good for us. if we are trying to buy from here. 33 ka level se we are trying to buy, and that would be the better level to buy from. Stop loss देखते हैं, low time frames पे देखते हैं. I mean, we have already trades planned. I think I think we have already trades planned over there. Yes, we are 315 पे one trade is there, and 330 30s पे कुछ trade होगा. So we already trades planned over there. I will tell you again, but it's the same levels. Levels पे और डालो 30-40 pips का डालो stop loss सही level पे डालो हो जाएगा, right? As simple as that. So this trend line, higher time frames का trend line currently following. So I would expect a closing below this level and test of these levels. It will be bearish for a long time. Then it will give us bullish nature to at least take out this high. Expectations, of course. Let's see what happens. But that should be ATR because that looks like what it would do. So this fair value का cover होगा या नहीं होगा वो difference 150 उसका range है, so that is a little different for me to say. But until then, we are into selling. We are into selling. Gold is bearish. We are into selling, and that's a good thing. Okay, we are already risk-free in that trade. You sold at the way top, 90 ka top. So see how much small these candles are showing. Ki there is a there's no movement. I mean, they're forming doji candles, saying ki consolidation is happening and no clear buying or selling. It's because it should have sold this day. Today it should have sold, but DXY was falling as well. So that is why it couldn't go as low as it could. That is the only reason because of DXY, or at least, or if DXY wasn't a contributing factor, we could have had a bearish gold today. Okay, today's news, no, tomorrow is the news, no? Yeah, tomorrow's news. Tomorrow we can have, yeah, we can have the moments. I'm thinking bearish only, man. So what is the expectation? Let me see the news expectation tomorrow. So unemployment claims 221K increased from previous forecast is 221K. So if the number is higher, the gold will go. Number is higher, gold will go up, right? If the number is lower, gold will go down. Okay. Hmm. Let's see. But gold going up. It doesn't have good levels of 400 ka level. Yes, 400 ka selling we can do. Can try, but that is not a very good selling, at least. I mean, that is not very good selling actually. It's not. So let's see. Maybe from here only it will go up. That could also be possible. A lot of possibilities. We'll see tomorrow how tomorrow. See, this week we didn't have a lot of pips only because the consolidation. This consolidation, how can we capture pips? But still we captured more than 300 pips into the week. And currently we're running at 110 pips. So 150 pips ka trade, 260 pips ka trade we did, some scalping we did, and this we're currently at 110 pips. I was hoping it would be 300. That would make at least 550, 560 pips. But yeah, I told you guys not to book it. I mean, I didn't say ki not to book it, but I was not booking it. So our TP was just 30 to 40 pips away. And yeah, bad luck. But I'm still in this trade. I've decreased some quantity, but I'm still in this trade. Give us higher profits. Now the target wouldn't just be 340 pips. It would be till this order block, which 334, which can be a 500 pip ka target. So we can have that target if you're going to selling. But tomorrow, pe, let's see how the gold is reacting to the news and all. Okay. Yeah, today is a consolidation day. Nothing more to expect. But still, let's go and see what are the trades that we could have done. The only buying that I did was 68 because I expected the consolidation and DXO was falling. See, 1330 tak, I'll show you what is happening. 1330, a good selling candle came. So from this, I knew that this को तो DXY नहीं recover करेगा. तो 1330 कहाँ पे? 1330 1530. 1530 ना. ठीक है, ये वाला कैंडल. ठीक है. So after this, I knew कि, but here is just here is our it could be a buying level, but I was not hoping to buy from here. The buy is if I wanted even to buy, we are already selling, we are not buying. This significant order block would be my area of interest, not this breaker block, but it should be the breaker block if it is too bullish. But I'm not expecting it to be too bullish. That is why this was not our area of buying per se, right? Okay, so because I am not interested in this area at all. If it's in selling mode, why would I be interested in that, right? That's the sequence. What my thinking is. Anyway, if you've done this, but after that, what I did was this was the candle that gave me out saying, ki, yeah, I am going buying. Okay, just leave me. So after this buying, this there was an order block. This was a selling that could have done. This scalping का selling 65 to 60, 50 उसका scalp we could have done. Pretty easy scalp. Again, it did, but on that, what I did was I entered at 60 ka level. So that is the 60 ka level. That is the entry of us, our entry before in this trade, which wasn't a good trade. So I was hoping that this time pay it will follow that level. So 60 pay I bought, and that was a perfect buy. Perfect. That was a perfect buy because I knew that DXY is falling from the morning. It was falling. DXY was falling from the morning. So, but gold has also been falling. Now it has to show ki when DXY fell, it has to show ki I have not fell. At least I consolidated, right? It's not like it shouldn't go down only because DXY is going down. It can't go down because conversely relational. At this point, at this point, when DXO made that candle, it was pretty clear that this is the area of interest. This is the buying that we could do. And that is where I bought and targeted this high, easy high. I actually targeted this one, 200 pips, but this would be easier because for me, I was getting into selling. I told you guys to sell from here. So I just booked it over here only in this high. But the target was here only. I was expecting it would go to these levels, 81 ka level, and it will get sell from there, sold from there. So that was the idea. Mm. Yeah, I think that is all. I mean, all consolidation. But let's go candle by candle in this chart, saying ki what trades we could have taken. Very simple. What is this one? So yep. Yeah, starting counter was starting. Let's say, okay. So yeah, starting happened here. This selling, yeah, yesterday's ka selling actually. This was the selling level, breaker blocker level. This selling you could have done. When did it happen? 5:45 it happened. But a bigger region, 84 to 87, 30 pip region. So I don't know how many of you did it, but it's a better region to sell, and it is also in the market structure of 15 minutes. So that is one selling that you could have taken. Right. This would be the best selling, but we were already in selling, so it didn't matter for us. We were in selling from here only. 88 se we were selling, so it didn't matter for us. But 85 ka selling was perfect. Now I'm waiting for this 82 for selling. Let's see. But this selling was perfect. Then we had closing below this level, making it a change of character. Now the next candle, this was a significant order block after this. So this trade would be the better trade to do. Better scalp to do. Yeah. So that is one thing we could have captured. And what else? What else? Here, yeah, liquidity trade had formed, not kind of classic liquidity. It's something else. It's forming lows and all. I wouldn't recommend this one, but I would recommend the selling from whichever area you could possibly do because we were into selling. There is cool. The only problem today was that DXY went against us. That was the only problem. Except that everything went great. That was the only problem. That is why we didn't have our trade hit the TP because would have hit the TP. At least tested this level. Yeah, I know okay, I have to just take it out. But I did after this buying. I took a lot chunk of quantity from this trade. Didn't update in the group, but I have done it. But because I'm still looking for this level because that is our trade. Okay. Okay. So I think that is all, man. I mean, yeah. This selling scalp you could have done. Fair value up ka cover. Always one trade of fair value up ka cover is already always happening in one day if it's consolidating. So fair value up ka cover here also happening. So that scalp you could take, right? So order block trade, say order block has formed. So this would be the scalping trade. 64 to 658 would be a scalping trade because just an order block is formed. This is our strategy. That's saying given our the gold we find any instrument in the bearish or bullish mode when there is order block just formed. We are hoping that it would not be tested. Even though it would be tested, it will give us a scalp, a good scalp. Or if we are looking for a trade, it will give us a trade if that's a good level. Okay, so that is one trade. And this buying, not expected buying, 58, it's not a Fibonacci level as well. Is it a Fibonacci level? Where would be the low? Let me go into 1 hour and let's check. It's not Fibonacci because it's a lot less. Yeah, it's not Fibonacci. Yeah. See, my area was a point of interest was this. As you can see, order block, significant order block over here. So yeah, that was our target, I think. No, no, we weren't. No, that was not our target. No, that was only our target. 58 to 54. Yeah, that was our target. Yeah, actually, that's a good target to have. But why I don't know. Gold is swinging like something else. Okay, happens when the consolidation and DXY is playing with us. Hmm. Which is almost all the times. So 15 minutes pay, yeah, that buying, yeah. Then what you could have done is after this change of character, you could have bought from here. That would be the next one, taking out this high. 66 to 79 you could have done. These are all the small because consolidation may I don't want to give you trades or strategies are following in the consolidation. I don't want to give you trades in the consolidation because it's not an ideal case scenarios, but it's still giving us 100 pips to 120 pips. Maybe next time I'll give you because I already bought here, so that didn't matter for me if it goes from here or it will come back to here and go from here. So it didn't matter to me, but maybe next time I'll see consolidation if I can provide you trades because consolidation I don't like to trade at all. I already told you I don't like to trade in consolidation. But let's see, because consolidation pay a lot of chaos and noise is there. That is not what we need. So yeah, so if you can see break of structure is also happening here. breakup structure has happened, and that is a selling level higher time frame, so that we have a lot of wicks there, expected wicks, and now we have this selling. We should see selling, but the XY is also falling like crazy. See, this kind of moves is giving into BXY. Of course, gold is expected to perform, right? Even though it's bearish. Okay. Nothing else, man. That is all. That is all you could have taken. I think this is around. Sorry, let's go into the chart. This is 60% level or 50% level from here. Yep, 60% level. Perfect 60% level. Could have scalped that one. And I think it did test this 50-minute range. It's not showing in this chart, but yes, see, it did test this range, right? You should get that 60%, perfect, and touch that order block of 15 minutes. So that would be the best buying I could have suggested, buying scalp. So 72, 79, 78, 80 pips. So yeah, consolidation. So also we can make a lot of money. Nothing too out of our grasp. But I would not recommend that we do in consolidation. That is all. Give me a minute. Let me plug my charger in. Okay. So yeah, that is all for today. I think the trades I could give you. 4 hour candle just opened. So yeah, this move is coming, as you can see. Uh, Closing. Okay. Let's see. Tomorrow will be good day. I'm hoping tomorrow will be good day. It just tests this order block as well in 4 hours. 80 selling. 80 selling actually is a good selling, man. Because but I was waiting for this level. Na 81 just above it is an order block. It's a very it's a shame that gold didn't do that. think it happens, but we'll trade only when the levels hit. So don't we have to take that seriously. Don't trade the just above so for them. That's all. Okay, because those levels are marked for a reason and SLs are there for that reason. Got it? So yeah, 69 tak we can target. I mean, if you're selling, you can sell, but selling level तो चला गया. अभी selling कर सकते हो. Actually, अभी selling कर सकते हो. After this candle goes, let's see if this candle has become an order block. This has already become an order block and it's tested. So अगर यार ऊपर ही हो गया. I think this candle will go down. This candle will go down and make this an order block. But if this goes very low, very low, that would be alarming. Not alarming that we can't just take a trade if it goes very fast, very low. If we close just below here, around here, we can sell from there only because there is an order block and that is a good trade to take. Okay, this order block is already done, and I think here are the next ones, 64. As I told you, 69 tak we can actually sell. So I think console 69 pe I think we'll have a consolidation. Okay, I think we'll have a consolidation at 69. Yes, market will come to here in the next few minutes. 50 bips come move. It will come. We'll consolidate over here, just like it did yesterday, like here, like this. In the morning, this happened in the morning, but That is what I'm expecting, 50%. Then it probably will come down again. Yes, we are in selling. So remember that. I think nothing more to tell. Perfect. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section. Uh, you don't need to hesitate about that. With that, we end today's session. Great day today. Captured. I captured pips. You might have captured if you are seeing live streams and if you know what the strategies are, because it's very easy. It's nothing much more difficult, nothing out of this world, right? Everything we already discussed. So yeah, I think pretty perfect day. We'll see what happens. Technically, doesn't have to be like this. Only because DXY, the move was towards the downside. We had this move. That is all. See, I think DXY is recovering a little bit. See, only this amount of recovery is giving this amount of move in a gold. Saying ki it's bearish, man. So nature, that is how you should understand the nature of the instrument. Okay. More likely gold. Instrument I'm talking about gold. Okay. Yeah. Just told you na what will happen. This will make that an order block. Just told you. So this would be scalp that you can, but as I told you, 69 pay will have consolidation probably. Okay. Perfect. Okay, guys. Let's end this session. Let's hope this week, tomorrow we can make many pips than we did today and yesterday. We're up 320 pips, I think. Uh, 700 pips to go to make this a 1,000 pip week. Even though we are not making it a 1,000 pip week, it doesn't matter. We are up a lot. Last week, maybe we are up more than 1,500 pips. That before week, we are up more than 1,500 pips. The only thing is the market is not moving, not our strategies. Our strategies are fully perfect, fully doing their work, right? So you don't need to worry about them. Just be patient. Don't overtrade. Don't revenge trade. It will come to you. Okay. Uh, trade with maze. That is all I can say. ठीक है. Okay. Bye bye. Take care. Yeah, trades are already placed. This वाला है यहाँ पे buying का scalp कर सकते हो. The point of interest is there after this liquidity maybe. But point of interest is around here 53 के पास है. The TP is also there only, so that there you can try a buy because but we kind of like yesterday we were seeing key significant order blocks are getting not satisfied, so that could also happen. So we should be ready with all the probabilities and expect and go with the best one. Okay, this fair value gap should be covered. I'm hoping it will cover tomorrow. Tomorrow is best thing you can cover that fair value gap. Well, let's see. Let's see what it does. This would be what it does after when it comes to these levels would be a lesson for us. Even if you can go back to FOMC and see when these types of candle formed, you probably see these kind of moves. It tries to go up only, it won't come down. It will go up only, and it will try to consolidate there until it finds a good level to sell from. And then when it's bearish, it will come back to these levels. So I think that's what it currently is doing, right? So that level of understanding is what I expect from you guys. Okay, that is all. Take care. Bye bye. Uh, that is take care. Bye bye. मिलते हैं कल. Until next time.